Jerry put them down somewhere.
Yeah, she would have taken them probably.
I know, I saw her writing them and I was like, what? But I wasn't gonna say anything to her, so that's why I went up to you.
She's like, oh, I was getting them back. But like, she was so drunk she would have walked out. Are you just a video?
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Shit, she wasn't her.
What?
Never mind. The person was like,
Oh.
and I was saying,
Whoa,
you.
we're gray.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
You're gray. Felicia is gray.
Wait.
Everyone on YouTube needs to flash this video.
Right. Mad video responses with like.
This is zoomed in on your face.
You gotta get that guy's butt when he walks by.
Where? Get this guy's butt.
They told me I'm like, hey.
Wow.
Sexy. Where's my Big Eddie?
This like YouTube material right here?
Possibly. They're gonna like see it and be like, Big Eddie.
I mean, we can put that on YouTube. No, you put it on YouTube. Who cares what they say, dude? Like,
Who?
fam?
I didn't mean it towards that one. I'm talking about the
Fam
ice
isn't
cream.
YouTube.
Like
Fam
fans,
doesn't even know what YouTube is, dude.
like they know what my YouTube account.
Oh, yeah.
And if they do, then who
I
cares?
answered them the other night.
They hate me anyway.
Yeah.
Somebody take this. I don't even know.
Hi.
Oh.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Photo.
You got your Eddie right there. Now let's eat Eddie. Yeah.
Did you want anything?
No.
No?
I'm good. I just had it.
I'm sorry? No, we don't dance.
Aww, he wants to shake your butt.
We each get a cherry, guys.